Hello guys, we're playing Brickheads and we're gonna show you how I build the fastest car
in the world.
Maybe not in the world, maybe there is some cars, but we just don't know. You know?
So, show your car.
You know, this.
This is your car that you created, Okay.
Yeah. I didn't fully upgrade the booster kit.
Okay.
Should I upgrade the booster fully?
No, let's test it. How much speed can it reach?
Then we're gonna upgrade it more. You know, to be faster.
It's okay, huh? Last time you said that it reached 800 miles per hour.
No.
No?
I don't know.
You don't know? Let's see in this video, huh? Okay.
It's not full transfer power, but not full. So I go like 200 miles per hour.
200, huh?
We should upgrade it.
Yeah.
I just flew off. Now, go in here, click this, open an editor. Look, here is the model that I created. First I'm gonna
You created from
input.
scratch? From scratch?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes, like this. And what scale?
What does it mean?
The power.
The power?
Yeah.
Maybe it will start to fly, huh? No?
It can.
We'll see.
I didn't test it.
Okay, test out now. What I said, huh? It's too powerful. Oh my god.
Wait.
No. It's terrible.
It's too powerful.
Yeah. Go to settings and now. Pretty good, huh?
Look.
Yeah, wait.
500 miles per hour. 500.
500 you reached.
Yeah.
Wow, that is very fast. Huh? Yeah?
Yeah.
Like in this game,
Wait,
really
I need
fast.
to more head start. A bigger head start.
Yeah.
You know?
Mm-hmm.
$500. $600.
600. Yeah, breaking record.
Yeah.
Now
Maybe
it's
should I
600.
put more boosters on?
No, it will fly away, huh? Like, no. No, it's perfectly good, huh? For,
Yeah.
it is very fast.
Now, what's it?
From longer distance, you try this and you reach the maximum speed as you can, okay? To show the fastest car, you can.
I can't turn, but
What
you know,
turn?
I can't turn when I'm with the
Oh,
boosters.
you just have to go straight.
Yeah. I can't go from here, like, cause look, it doesn't go straight.
Oh,
Fly into a building.
okay.
If we want it to go faster, we need to put more weight on the front.
Yeah.
I don't know. On the back needs more weight. Because it's tilting forward.
Yeah, the back tilting forward.
The front.
The front.
Yeah.
So what we gonna do now, huh?
We need to put more weight something on the back. Okay. On the back something like What's this? What should I put?
No. Something that fits.
Wait, I know what to put. Maybe some fuel on the back.
Yeah.
No, wait. Thrusters and biggest fuel tank. Boom!
You anchored that?
Now it will anchor it. Anchor it with L. Just press it.
Mm-hmm.
Now it has to be done. And then we just click. And now it's anchored.
Have we will test
Petrol rocket fuel. Yes.
Okay. Oh,
It's better.
it's better. Yeah.
500 miles per hour now.
500. We need to reach more than 600 miles per hour.
Yeah.
More than that. Can you do it?
I thought of something.
Okay.
What if we just remove the engine and just have the boosters?
But
in the back. Look what I have done. More fuel on the back.
not this road. Oh.
Yeah. Right here. Yes. Line up straight. Yes. This will be very straight. Now, it is. It's hard to get it straight. Now, this is the one. I know it.
Okay.
600. 600 miles per hour.
And that's all that we can get from this car. Probably.
Yeah.
600. Huh?
But I have gotten better. We should put the boosters in the front.
What if will change?
The mass of the whole thing.
You want to reach more speed?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe we can do it.
Well.
Again.
That is the car.
Yeah.
That could be the
Look.
fastest car.
Working the boosters are.
Mm-hmm.
I don't mind that piece of the boosters in our power. Just follow. Go! I don't see.
You flying.
700!
700 are you flying? Off the map.
Look.
You flew away, huh? But
I don't know where it is going.
700.
I'm still at 200 miles per hour. It's going into the atmosphere.
It's like literally like a flying car.
Yeah.
But it goes and takes off like a plane, huh? Because
Yeah.
it's that speed, huh? That speed, huh?
I think we are not going to get more power
Yeah.
than this thing.
This is like riding a plane, like plane, huh?
Yeah.
Already. Because it cannot turn, no? You have to
If we had put some aerodynamics on this car, maybe the too much work that is. Aerodynamics on this car.
What else you can do another test to drive, huh? More recklessly, maybe, huh?
Yeah.
Just to drive, huh? To show how fast this car is. Ooh. It flies.
Where am I going? The car whole exploded.
Exploded, yeah.
Yeah. Let's go from here, maybe. Let's fly off.
Fly off, okay. Take off.
Yeet.
No.
Yeah.
That was a mistake.
No. Yes. That's like a ramp. And then there's
You try to do something?
yeah.
Okay.
I just go back. Yeah. Yeet.
That's not ended.
My body
well.
goes. My body goes. Ow.
Yeah, your body.
Boom.
You dead. Probably, huh?
Yeah, definitely my hover still.
Zero.
But I can just still get up. This is my seat. How did
Yeah.
you get here?
I don't know. You and your seat.
And this one.
Definitely it's not a floating car.
Yeah. This is like a drag car. But
That is your creation and not falling apart. Your creation, huh? I don't know what you're doing right now, huh?
oh,
You're
train tracks.
rolling, huh?
Train tracks. Okay. Yeah.
But they turning, huh?
That didn't work as how I wanted to. What is going to happen if I put on a pigeon?
Maybe in the next video,
Yeah.
not in this. Because we have probably to end.
Yeah. Now, right now. And we should end this right now. Okay, my check. Fireworks. Fireworks. Maybe enough for the game. Thanks for watching and bye.